From farms to recycling centers, Heath Manufacturing Company is helping to power the world's toughest jobs. Our walking floor unloaders are designed to handle almost any bulk product. Agricultural materials, biomass, waste, recycling, and everything in between. And with a variety of flooring options, we customize a solution perfect for your needs. Safe, fast, and reliable, our systems boost productivity and reduce downtime. On 6 continents and in countless industries, Heath is your global partner in efficient unloading. Heath Walking Floor Systems. Moving more than materials, we move your business forward.